This old guy DIY video just has to do with some troubleshooting advice for air conditioning failure in a vehicle. So in this particular case, I'm looking at a 2003 Chevy Suburban with 150,000 miles on it. When I turned the air on for the first time this year, there was no air. So when I got home, I took a look and there was no belt for the air conditioning. So I thought, oh, that belt must have failed. It's 20 years old. That's not surprising. I bought a new belt at Amazon, had it delivered, put the belt on. I did not turn the air conditioning on immediately. A couple days later, when I flipped the air on, no air. When I got home, I took a look, and here was my brand new Amazon belt snapped. So I crawled under the vehicle, and I could see that the compressor pulley was spinning freely. When I came to the idler, this thing was frozen up tighter than heck. So you can see a nice chunk of my $20 Amazon belt on there. So I went back to Amazon, I bought an idler, bought another belt. I just installed them 2 minutes ago, and everything works great. So the tip is, if your belt is gone or broken, don't assume the belt failed. Go ahead and check the idler first. Have a great day.